Hi, I'm Dane Found with Lance Camper, and I'm here to show you 850 Lance Camper. First of all, I'd like to say that we're happy to be part of the Western RV group now, and the Lance is a product that's probably been the leader in the truck camper business for more than 60 years now. And there's a reason that Lance has developed such a reputation. They have continued to progress year after year, making them better and better and better. And you know, there's customers out there that are on their 5th and maybe even 6th Lance over the period of time. And there's also 50-year-old Lances still on the road today. So it's because it's a better camper. Campers are certainly known for their ability to get into areas that you can't get to with your typical travel trailer or fifth wheel. You know, and it also lends you the possibility of being able to tow something behind, like a boat or snowmobiles or whatever. All of our Lance products are 4-season units. That means that the tanks are all enclosed. All 6 sides of the tanks are enclosed and insulated, and then heat is pumped into that area from the furnace. All of the windows are dual pane windows so that you don't have a heat loss there. And we also make a quilted cover that goes over the vents and that in your ceiling that comes with it, so that you don't have that heat loss out your ceiling. Lance are an aluminum frame unit that is laminated together, but there's some very unique things that Lance does that other companies just don't do. Our aluminum extrusions at the bottom, where the floor meets the walls, for example, have an extrusion that interlocks with each other. So it's not just relying on the screws to hold it together. This integrated system they have allows it to, for the unit not to rack and twist. It's a solid unit. Lance has developed that kind of technology over the years and continues to make the best camper available out there in the market. Now to get more specific on this 850 Lance, which is one of our most popular models. Why it's one of our most popular models? It's one of the only campers in our lineup that's designed to fit both a short box and a long box 3/4 ton truck. The beauty of this camper that set it apart from others are things like our ladders on the back. When you step on these ladders, they're solid. It doesn't move. We have 2 awnings on this, one at the rear for protection over your doorway when you're getting in and out of the unit, one on the side here that can go over your picnic table when you want to have dinner outside, protect yourself from the sun or a little bit of rain. All of these units are equipped with the power jacks that come with a remote control, so loading and unloading the camper from your truck can be done in less than 5 minutes, just pushing the button. All your jacks can go up and down at the same time, or you can operate them individually, but when you put them all up and down at the same time and you use a quick system on your truck for your tie downs, like the torque lift fast guns, you can have this camper completely on or off your truck in less than 5 minutes. Anyway, let's go inside and check it out. First of all, you've got this entry step here that makes getting in and out of the camper a little easier. Inside here, we have a full wet bath, toilet, shower, all in one unit here. And we notice we put a sliding door on here rather than a swinging door so that it doesn't block access in and out of the unit when you're coming in. Bathroom is all one-piece molded fiberglass, so you don't have any place for moisture penetration or leaking. We have a nice big countertop here with the L-shaped countertop, and it's all solid surface, not just a piece of particle board covered with vinyl or paper. There's a ton of features in here. We've got convection microwave oven. We have the regular gas oven if you want to cook a pizza or bake something. 3-burner cooktop stove. All your faucets are metal, not plastic. Fantastic fan back there that's going to draw air out of the unit if you want, or it can bring in air from outside inside, and they're an automatic unit. We have a skylight here with a shade to close it off at nighttime to get a little darker inside. All of our roof vents come with snap-on covers here so that it provides a little more insulation if you're using your camper in the wintertime, because all Lance campers are a 4-season coach. We use the European style dual pane windows that are awning style windows, so you can put them out and leave them open if it's raining a little bit. Act as an emergency escape window as well, so you can push it and you could go out there if there happened to be a fire in your camper back here. Same thing up top in your bedroom here, but they are all dual pane. The shades on here, this is a screen to protect any from bugs coming in. Then at nighttime, you pull it up this way and you get the privacy that you're looking for. This unit is equipped with a cabinet that folds down into a bunk if you need to get extra sleeping for one. This makes into a bed down here. Plenty of storage, and you notice we even have automatic lights inside the closet there. Up beside the bed, we've got a charging pad there for your telephone, an automatic charging pad. Plus we also have USB ports up there where you can plug in other devices that you might have. Gaining access to your bedroom area is quite a bit easier than some, because we give you this extra step here, making it quite accessible. You have a full-size queen mattress there that's 80 inches long instead of an RV queen that's only 74 inches long. Nice big skylight up here that also opens up to allow more air in if you want. Got reading lights on either side of the bed there. More storage either side of the bed here. Adjustable shelves inside that closet. Hanging closet over on this side. And then there's a lift up storage there. So everywhere that they could add additional storage, they have done that. We have a Jensen stereo system that has speakers on the outside as well as speakers on the inside. Bluetooth capability. Beautiful big refrigerator here. Very efficient 12 volt with a nice pull-out drawer freezer. We encourage you to come and take a look at the Lance for yourself in person and see what makes Lance truly the leader in truck campers.